I am back with Emily today, and she's packing some orders, so I thought I would ask her what the most popular things that people are ordering are right now. Okay. Most popular items today, definitely the Kaylee May undated insert. I can't even show you because we're empty. We need to refill this. The daily planner is like the most popular every day. We also sold a lot of Kaylee May stickers today, like the whole set with the binder and the insert with the stickers. Also a lot of goal setting, the goal setting insert, a little bit of everything. Yeah, just have to tape up these guys and we'll ship them out to you guys.